your marriage on pause due to infidelity? Are the divorce papers out and the discussions with the attorneys beginning? If so, relax, because I'm going to teach you one thing that you can start doing now that is going to help you rebuild the trust and save your marriage after infidelity. If you are new, I am Michael, and I am one of the leading infidelity recovery specialists in the field. And I help cheaters stop cheating and help couples heal, rebuild the trust, and fall back in love after infidelity. Now, if you have not subscribed, make sure that you subscribe now. And join me on a journey as we learn how to rebuild the trust and save your marriage after infidelity. Now, one of the biggest mistakes that most unfaithful spouses make is in their communication. Before I continue, what I'm about to tell you for sure you are not going to like, but it will save your marriage. Talk about the affair. Yes, that is correct. Bring up conversations about things that could potentially upset them. Now you might be thinking, okay, Coach Michael, why would I want to do that? Because if your betrayed spouse has questions about you, your actions, whether it's past or present, and you do not bring it up, to them it seems like you're just avoiding the issues and trying to take the easy way out. They begin to feel like you are not holding yourself accountable. They begin to think, why am I putting more effort into fixing this when they are the ones that damage things? Think about it. If I stole something from you and you knew that I knew that you knew and I didn't say anything about it when I was around you, what would you think? Exactly. And I know that's not exactly the same thing, but that's what your betrayed spouse feels. You see, to them, it's suspicious behavior. This is only going to make them question you more. Plus, they will begin to think you are not actually serious about change and you're only trying to fool them. So what can you do? I'm glad you asked. Start proactive conversations of reassurance, meaning do not wait until they need it. Before they begin to have those dark thoughts of what you've done, what you're doing, what you're thinking, what you're feeling, tell them. Your betrayed spouse needs you to be transparent, and it's not just about telling them the things that you do. It's telling them the things that go on in your mind that you do not want to talk about, and if you do, it's uncomfortable. They don't want you to just ask how their day is going or how they're feeling. Though that's not bad, but right now you got to hit them with those deep, intimate questions. When the moment is appropriate, ask them. On those days when you are thinking about me and the things that I've done, can you tell me what goes through your mind? No, you're not going to start a fight. And your spouse may become upset, but this is what they need because what you are doing is showing recommitment, accountability, and true remorse. When you hear about the work, well, this is what the work is, and the work has to be hard. It cannot be easy. Many unfaithful spouses make this mistake by stepping up to gift giving or putting more effort into being more affectionate. Now, if you start buying them a bunch of gifts, what they are going to think is that you are trying to buy their love back, and that's fake. And what fake reminds them of is how you cheated. If you are attempting to be more affectionate with them, but not taking accountability in other things that you should be, they're going to think the same thing. It's all fake. It's just a show. For there is a right way about going through infidelity recovery to effectively fix things. But there is also a way to go about it to make sure that things get worse and the trust is never rebuilt. The choice is up to you. If you would like further help rebuilding the trust, take my online couples course, Stronger Together. It is an online couples course with sections for both the unfaithful and the betrayed, with PDF exercises included. I'll drop the link below so you can get it today. If you like today's video, like, comment, subscribe, and drop your questions below. And before I go, happy recovery. Talk soon.